Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who's new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. And especially today, I'm so glad that you're here because today is a super big deal for me. And I think this is the most exciting Rapunzel video that I've ever done, and you will find out in a second. Okay, so I said already, this is of course a video in collaboration with Rapunzel, and we're taking our collaboration to the next level. But before I tell you what it is, I just want to take 1 second to dedicate this video to my dad, because this video goes live on my father's birthday, when he would have had his birthday. Unfortunately, he passed away a couple years ago and I miss him, but I know that he is sending blessings my way and that he would be so proud of me. So with all that being said, let's just go right into it, okay? Today, when you see this, my Leorah kit goes live on Rapunzel, and this is my introduction video for the Leorah kit. So I just really can't believe it that like I'm so excited about this that girls, you gotta bear with me, okay? I'm shaking because this is so huge for me. I love this. I love it that Rapunzel is giving me the opportunity to work with them even closer than I've been working with them so far, and that they trust me, or they have the confidence in me to like make me part of this. So thank you so much, Rapunzel. And now let me introduce the kit, okay? So my Leorah kit is really special. I know there are other kits on the Rapunzel website and they are all beautiful, but the Leorah kit is sort of a little bit like a chameleon kind of a thing. And so this is the content of my kit. It is the Playful Patchwork scarf, it is the New York Brides in orange, or in burnt orange, and it is the Calluna headband. And the thing is with my kit that I'm going to a couple times a year refill it with new content, so you can always come back and see what did Leorah put in this time. So it's a little bit like a birthday every couple of months. So I cannot 100% tell you that it's going to be 4 times a year or whatever. It depends a little bit on how fast the Leorah kit sells out, or on new things coming into the Rapunzel stock sort of, and me falling in love with new stuff. So it all depends a little bit on all of these things, but of course you will be notified here on my channel and on the Rapunzel channel and on the social media, my social media, Rapunzel social media, if the Leorah kit has been restocked with new content. And then we'll, of course, every time I will make a video about the new content of the Leorah kit. So this one here will retail for $35, which is a significant discount to if you were to buy everything separately. And of course you can use my code. Obviously, you find all the information in the description box about that. And the thing is that I know that a lot of you girls have already 1 or 2 or maybe all of this. So we know that. So that's also a reason why we obviously want to bring the Leorah kit back in different ways, you know, every couple months. So, but maybe you can still, if you want, you know, buy it and then give something away as a gift to someone who doesn't have that 3rd item yet, or whatever. So just putting it out there, this is the Leorah kit for now, and soon there will be a new one that I'm going to introduce here. But what we're going to do now is actually I'm going to do this wrap, which is really simple, and I was sort of requested to do just one wrap, a simple wrap, to not like make people crazy. But after that I will do a little bit of a slideshow, because I have been creating a couple of looks with my kit, and I just want to show you or inspire you what else you can do with that kit. And that is then the conclusion of the video, because I'm supposed to keep this short and I'm trying. Okay, so I'm going to take this off, and then we're going to do this wrap together, and then you're going to see the slideshow, and then I'm going to say goodbye to you. Yay! I'm so excited. So yeah, please be excited with me, okay? Okay, now we're going to wrap my Leorah kit. Okay, so I'm wearing the Uber Proof. Of course you can use other shapers too, and maybe then just slightly adjust the wrap, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm taking the New York Brides in burnt orange, and this is how it looks. Ta-da! And I'm going to fold it like one time and another time. So it's basically a fourth. Is it a fourth? Something like that, of the width that it usually is. And then I'm just taking that and putting it down here, really on my hairline where I'm lining up my shaper. This is where I'm putting it down, just like that, and I'm tying a knot in the back. Like this. And then I'm taking the Playful Patchwork scarf and I'm lining it up basically right behind that. So of course you could take it on an angle, whatever which way you want it. And I'm lining it up right behind the New York Brides, crossing it over. Sort of have to gather here in the back a little bit so I cover the whole shaper, but it's okay. So it is just okay. All right, so this is what I do, and then I'm just taking these two strands and I'm basically just twisting them around each other like this, and I do exactly the same thing on the other side like this. And then I'm just lining them up here right behind the New York Brides, right here, like this. And I'm sort of just sliding them into each other so they hold each other down, and then I'm tucking away the loose ends here and here. Of course you could have it hang out if you prefer that, because it is really a shame to tug away all these tassels of that beautiful Playful Patchwork scarf. But for this wrap I just get rid of it. But you will see in the slideshow in a minute the other looks that I've done where I'm actually featuring the tassels also. Okay, and then I'm taking the Calluna headband and I'm just sliding that on right behind this twisted part here, sliding it in and placing it whichever way I want. So, and this is it. This is my, whoops, one thing slid out. Okay, like this. So this is how it looks, my very first official look with my Leorah kit. I can't believe it. So I hope you like it. I certainly do. I just can't believe this is happening. Alright, so before I say goodbye to you, I'm just going to give you a look at the slideshow and then I'll be right back. Okay, my lovelies, that was the slideshow, and I hope it sort of added a little bit to the inspiration or to show you what possibilities are in that kit. And of course, all of those looks have been created with all the three of the contents, but or the 3 items. But of course, you can also switch back and forth and just use 2 or whatever, you know. So obviously. Anyway, I hope that you are excited with me for this, and I just want to thank all of you for your support and for your loving feedback all the time, and that is, it means the world to me, and I promise you that I'm putting all my heart into this, and every time I'm restocking the kit that or putting new things in the kit, that I'm going to choose amazing things for you. And from now on, of course, it will be then new things that will just have been released on the Rapunzel channel. So it will not be from now on that most of you have this already. Okay, I'm going to try to have new things. So with all of that being said, I also want to again thank Rapunzel for this wonderful opportunity of this collaboration and of like taking it to the next level, and I really love that, and I'm trying to not let anyone down. So I'm really enjoying this, and if you enjoy this too, then please give the video a like. If you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love that. And besides that, I'm just gonna see you next time here for my next video, and up until then, go ahead and sparkle. Hugs and kisses. Bye.